convert xy equals negative 4 4 to polar coordinates r theta such that r is positive and theta is in between 0 and 2 pi. We know that r is given by square root of x squared plus y squared, and theta is given by tangent inverse of y over x plus pi if xy, the point xy, lies in second or third quadrant. In this case, negative 4, positive 4. That means this point is in second quadrant. Negative to the left, positive up. From the origin, left and up means second quadrant, so plus pi. So let's find r, that's square root of x squared. Negative 4 quantity square, that's positive 16. 4 square 16, that's 32. 32 is 16 times 2, and 16 square root of 16 is 4 root 2. Okay, that's the r. Now theta is given by tangent inverse of y over x plus pi. Plus pi because this point is in the second quadrant. That is tangent inverse of y over x, 4 over negative 4, that's negative 1, plus pi tangent inverse of negative 1. Okay, tangent inverse of 1 is 45, that's pi over 4, that's negative, so negative pi over 4 plus pi. Okay, and 1 pi minus 1/4 pi, that's 3/4 pi, 3 pi over 4. Okay, thus the corresponding polar coordinates for negative 4 4 are 4 root 2 comma 3 pi over 4. Okay, in part B we do the other way around. Polar coordinates are given r theta. We need to convert those into rectangular coordinates xy, and we know that x is given by r cosine theta and y is given by r sine theta. Okay, x is r cosine theta, which is, let me write directly, r is 2 cosine 7 pi over 6. 2 times cosine 7 pi over 6. 7 pi over 6 is in the third quadrant, so cosine will be obviously negative. It's like pi over 6. Okay, and you can find the value of cosine 7 pi over 6 using the reference angle of pi over 6 or the unit circle. So in any case, that's root 3 over 2. 2 and 2 cancel, just negative root 3. Now y equals r sine theta 7 pi over 6, which is 2 times, again sine in the third quadrant, negative 7 pi over 6, which has the reference angle of pi over 6, so 1/2. Just use the unit circle or go through the reference angle method at the end. This negative 1/2. 2 cancel, so negative 1. Thus the corresponding rectangular coordinates are negative root 3 comma negative 1. Final.